So Bobby, if SharePoint never existed, what will you be doing?
Well, I certainly wouldn't be collaborating with my enterprise, that's for sure. I wouldn't have any place to put my documents, I wouldn't know where to talk to people, and I would have no way of organizing my team's tasks.
So what will you be doing?
I would be helpless, I would probably not be here, I would probably be fired.
So that's what Bobby will do if SharePoint never existed. Hey Mo, if SharePoint never existed, what will you be doing?
I'll be doing my own ECM product,
What's ECM?
Enterprise Content Management.
Are you sure that's what you'll be doing?
Oh, yes.
All right, cool. Good for you.
All right, take care.
So Bill, if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
So I installed SharePoint 2001 back in the day, and that started my career. If it didn't exist, I'd probably be down here dancing on the strip.
Dancing on the strip, that's a good one. Adam, if SharePoint did not exist, what will you be doing?
I would be unemployed.
You won't be doing anything else?
I would totally be unemployed, would have been a marketing major, probably would not have gotten a job out of college, maybe wait until.
All right, thank you. Rafael, si SharePoint no existiera, ¿qué estaría haciendo?
Yo creo que desarrollando aplicaciones y tratando de encontrar la manera de integrarlas, que SharePoint es lo que nos ofrece ahora.
Bueno, muchas gracias.
Mucho gusto.
Asif, if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
Quarterback of Chicago Bears.
Professional football player.
Of course.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All
They need
right.
my help. They lost tonight. You know?
Okay, all right, good. Thank you. You're up next, buddy. So if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
I'd have a life, play with my kids.
Is that a good thing?
That's a great thing.
All right, so thank you. Robert, if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
I would be mediating fights between developers and IT pros.
Wow, it's like a referee, huh?
Yeah, like cage fights.
Right.
Just, in a ring, because that's what they do.
Isn't that what you do with SharePoint too?
Yeah, SharePoint's just the story around the fight.
Mr. Rick Taylor, if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
Rocket science. Absolutely. I have a degree in physics and chemical engineering, so I'd be a rocket science.
Jeremy Fake, if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
So you asked me this question at SBC 09, and I think I said I wanted to be the American president.
That's right.
I've changed my mind. I've lived in New York now for 2 years. I've learned very quickly that you can't talk about politics in America without ending up having a 2-hour discussion with someone. So I'm just gonna, if SharePoint doesn't exist, I'm gonna ride bikes all the time, like this beautiful Ducati that we're giving away at the conference.
Awesome.
Did you like that?
I like that. Can I have that? Harry, 如果没有 SharePoint， 你现在做什么？
家里看电视。
David， 你呢？
今日嘛，SharePoint Microsoft 做
那很好。So I've got the DC crew here with me. Shadid, if SharePoint does not exist, what would you be doing?
I'd still be involved in telecommunications, which was my primary skill set upon entering or exiting the Navy, and that's what I'd be doing.
Rima, how about you?
I would probably be giving a lot of people therapy since I was a psych major in college, so I'd probably be a therapist.
Doesn't psych help with SharePoint?
A lot, you have no idea. I call it Sharapy, actually.
Sharapy. So there you go, Sharapy. That's a new hashtag right there. Veronique, how's it Koyamora? If SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing?
Ek sou met wilddiere gewerk het op 'n wildsplaas en hulle weer gesond gemaak het.
Perfect. Thank you.
Jy is baie welkom.
All right, gang, if SharePoint did not exist, what would you be doing today?
I would be a professional game show host.
I'd be hunting, baby. I wouldn't be here.
Cancer research.
Awesome. But you're here for SharePoint, though, right?
Oh, good heavens, yes.
All right, thank you. Thanks.
Hi, this is Caroline Gatimu, and welcome back to SharePoint Television. We hope you had an amazing time at this morning's keynote. There are thousands of people working to bring you a product that is going to help you be more efficient in your organizations. We've doubled down on the cloud, and we understand the way enterprise social is changing the way we work and collaborate together. The The new cloud app development model is a simplification of the developer experience and will allow all of us to bring better apps into the SharePoint ecosystem, whether you're in SharePoint 2013 on-prem or in Office 365. It's an amazing day at an amazing conference, and we're glad that you're here. But right now, we hope you're done learning for the day so you can come on out and have some fun. Let's go.
All right, let's do it outside. All right. All right, so I'm with the project team here, but I want to ask them, if you were a SharePoint feature, what would you be and why?
I'd be project.
Is that a SharePoint feature?
It is absolutely a SharePoint feature. It's the best SharePoint feature, absolutely.
How about you, Heather?
Project.
Project. You?
Project.
What about you?
I think I'm going to say project.
It's all right, nobody's watching. Maybe...
Okay, I'm going to change. I'll take project server.
Okay, how about you, Pradeep?
Project, especially project timeline, it's beautiful. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it.
Project timeline.
That's right.
That's actually very good.
And project. Definitely project.
Project, huh?
Yeah, that's my vote.
Okay, so we got it. If they were a SharePoint feature, they're going to be project.
1, 2, 3, go project!
There you go. Hey, Sam.
Hey.
If you're a SharePoint feature, what would you be and why?
I'd be the design manager.
Why?
Well, because I can do and create anything I want in Photoshop, Fireworks, and put it into SharePoint, and it'll be perfect.
Dreamweaver?
Didn't work very well today. They did it in the keynote.
Don't remind me. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Cheers.
yeah,
Thank you.
Cheers.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah. Konnichiwa. If you were a SharePoint feature, what would you be?
スケールアップをお願いします。
おはようございます。
おはようございます。
Thank you. Awesome mural. Done a great job all day. So what do you think SharePoint is?
SharePoint is a world of communities. So what that means, I'm not too familiar with SharePoint myself, but from spending this time with SharePoint users, defining SharePoint through multiple conversations, it's just something that's something to offer for businesses, something to offer for folks just trying to communicate and share their wealth of knowledge, whether it be for recreation, professional purpose. I don't know, it just seems endless from what I can see where I stand at this point.
You got it. That's exactly what it is.